Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite split screen on your Nintendo Switch. First, make sure both your Joy-Cons or Pro controllers are fully charged and connected. Once you're in the Fortnite lobby, the second player should turn on their controller and hold down the minus button for about 3 seconds. This will prompt them to log in with their Epic Games account, allowing them to join your game seamlessly. It's a straightforward process to get started with a friend. Once your friend has successfully logged into their Epic Games account, their character will appear right next to yours in the lobby. Take a moment to confirm that both players are showing as ready. Then, simply choose a game mode that supports split screen, like duos or squads. When you start the match, your Nintendo Switch screen will automatically divide into 2 distinct sections, giving each player their own view of the action. It's that easy to jump into a game together. During split-screen gameplay, each player gets their own dedicated view, usually split horizontally across the screen. While you both share the same overall map and inventory, your individual perspectives are maintained, allowing for independent movement and aiming. It's worth noting that you might experience a slight dip in performance compared to playing solo, as the console is rendering 2 separate views. This feature is primarily for Battle Royale and creative modes, offering a fun way to team up. For the best split-screen experience, I highly recommend playing with your Nintendo Switch docked. This provides a much larger screen, making it easier for both players to see the action clearly. Also, a stable internet connection is crucial to avoid any frustrating lag. Don't forget to communicate constantly with your teammate. Good teamwork is key to victory. And if possible, a Pro controller for the second player can offer a more comfortable and precise gaming experience. Enjoy playing together.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.